You were not born out of accident. You are not mass produced. You are not an assembly line product. You are deliberately planned. You are specially gifted, lovingly positioned on this earth by whom? By the master craftsman. So, friends, believe in yourself is very important point. बिकॉज आप किसी एक्सीडेंट की वजह से नहीं आए हैं, आपका मास प्रोडक्शन नहीं हुआ है, आप असेंबली लाइन प्रोडक्ट नहीं है. देयर इज अ डेलिबरेट प्लानिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड बाय whom? By master craftsmen. And the other thing is you are lovingly positioned. So the very important point I would like to share with you is self esteem, self confidence, self assurance, whatever you say, whatever the base of self reliance is, the very important point is believe in yourself, because believe in yourself is a choice, it is an attitude. Past is past, past is gone, past जा चुका है. कहते हैं ना past मिट्टी डालो, so मिट्टी डालो. What will happen in the future, what can you do in the future is very important. You can change your future by changing the neurons, the circuits of your brain, the neurocircuits of your brain. There are neurological networks. There is a neurological network for driving your car. There is a neurological network for driving your cycle. There is a neurological network for working on laptop. So in the brain, whatever you do every day, आप जो भी करते हैं अपने दिन में, whatever you do, there are neurological pathways in the brain, and that's how your brain remembers. So you can change your future outcome. How? अब अपनी future outcome को कैसे change कर सकते हो? You can change your future outcome simply by one thing. Yes, simply by one thing. Yesterday in my group, Self-Reliance Mastermind, I shared a very important strategy. Strategy is simply stand in front of the mirror. Whatever is challenging you, whatever is actually affecting you, मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाइए और मिरर के सामने खड़े होके बोलिए, come what may, how bad it is and how bad it will be, I am going to make it. You can do this today. मिरर के सामने खड़े होके just stand in the front of the mirror, say to yourself, whatever it is, whatever it will be, I am going to make it. So now what you can do is have self-talk. Talk to yourself the way you talk to your friend, the way you talk to your family, the way you talk to your some other person, friends, family, colleagues. Have positive self-talk. Visualization, because as I've told you, there are neurological networks in the brain. ब्रेन के अंदर आपका पूरा का पूरा एक जैसा हाईवे बनता है, एक हाईवे, यू हैव सीन द हाईवे. सो देयर आर pathways in your brain. Whatever you store in your brain, whatever you visualize, your body is also unconscious mind. So brain is there in your body. So whatever your body registers, because there is also an unconscious mind. So if you believe that it's not possible, brain will have all the neurological pathway that it's not possible. Yes, you can change by self-talk, visualization, training, coaching. I don't need to tell you that a college dropout, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, they did wonders. Didn't they? Wonders नहीं बनाए उन लोगों ने. Stephen J. Carnell. Do you want to hear the story of Stephen J. Carnell? क्या आप Stephen J. Carnell की story को सुनना चाहते हैं? Do you want to hear this story? Type story. Yes, type story. Type story. Thank you. Stephen J. Carnell used to sit with his mother. He failed in first class, he failed in fourth class, and he failed in 10th class. First में भी fail हो गए, fourth में भी fail हो गए, 10th में भी fail हो गए. But he used to study for 5 hours with his mother. He could not read, he could not comprehend. Still, 5 घंटे पढ़ने के बाद भी he failed in every class, first, fourth, and 10th. And his friends told him and asked him, what do you study? What do you learn when you study for 5 hours or 6 hours? You study with your mother. What do you learn? He said, I know nothing. I learned nothing. Then one day he realized he's very good at football. Yes. एक दिन उसको पता लगा कि he's very good at football. He started playing football. And the moment he started playing football, he started winning laurels. फुटबॉल जैसे ही खेलना शुरू किया, इनाम की झड़ियां लग गई. He started winning all accolades, he started winning all gifts, and then he started winning honors. He started getting honors. And you know later what happened? After his football journey also, he started writing scripts. He went on television and he wrote 38 shows. You can just go on Google and type Stephen J. Carnell. Stephen J. Carnell, Stephenjarnell. So Stephen J. Carnell wrote about 38 shows, very good in football, brilliant in football, and even he employed 2000 people. एक individual, एक बच्चा जो फर्स्ट में फेल हुआ, फोर्थ में फेल हुआ, 10th में फेल हुआ, फेल ही होता रहा, couldn't do anything, couldn't read, could not write, could not comprehend. Super brilliant, marvelous in football, employed 2000 people. Yes, employed 2000 people. People work for them, and that's how he lived. Now, by the way, today I'm doing a special webinar, a special masterclass, how to launch your digital business. If you are a teacher, trainer, author, educator, coach, or anybody, and you want to know how to launch a digital business around your hobby, a digital business around your superpower, I will be unveiling the 3 secrets. I will be unveiling the 3 secrets to launch your digital business and become self-reliant. Self-reliant, I've been talking for almost more than 1 year. I'm talking about this topic because this is something, self-reliance, I've been living since 2014. Do you want to know? If you want to know that, join the webinar. Go to ashishjuneja.co/webinar. I can promise you this will turn your life, turn your day. People say turn your life. This will be your day turning masterclass. Yes. And by the way, if you found whatever I've said useful, type useful. And don't forget to share. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा है, don't forget to share. There is no point keeping it to yourself, because you never know. At this point, somebody could be energized, somebody could be motivated, and somebody who is having a self-doubt, who is having a self-fear, who is not having self-confidence, low self-confidence, low self-esteem, and somebody who wants self-assurance. जब directly आप किसी को कुछ जाके कहते हो, that's human psychology. When you say something to yourself, that person may reject. But when somebody else, third person, is saying something, that's something you want to say, that person will accept it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Harpreet ji, for joining in. Thank you everyone for being here. See you on the webinar. See you in the masterclass.